How to delete your eHarmony account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. So in today's video I'll simply guide you on how you can delete your eHarmony account, so just make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to delete your eHarmony account, first of all just log into eHarmony.com. I'll also make sure to drop a direct link down below. And to delete this dating account, what you have to do is just after you log into the website, click on the profile icon from the top right hand side of the screen, and then here you'll find the option called data and settings, right? So you just want to make sure to click on the data and settings option. So when you go to data and settings, on the next specific page you will see this type of information where you have to scroll down, and under the profile visibility tab you can see the option called to delete your profile permanently. Just click here. So make sure you look for profile visibility tab, and then under it you'll find delete information. So you just want to click on this here button that you see and highlight it in green. So when you do that, if you still want to delete your profile, please confirm your eHarmony password. So make sure to enter the password and then just click on the delete profile button. As you do that, your eHarmony account will be successfully deleted. And that's all it takes to delete your eHarmony account. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions though, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.